always had a creative side. My brain is wired that way. I love analyzing logos and creating logos. The simplicity and the story behind the image always pique my interest. When my company went into bankruptcy protection, Vancouver was awarded the 2010 Winter Games. I right away thought my experience, abilities, and knowledge would benefit our company, so I wrote an email to the president, and he loved my ideas. We had a couple back and forth conversations about me joining a special projects team. When the project manager contacted me, it was a couple conversations, and then I was released. He didn't realize that my enthusiasm and out-of-box thinking could benefit his team. Our company is based in Montreal and Toronto, and the bottom line is that West Coast people have a different perspective on life. Around the same era, our company was asking employees how we could make more money or save money. The project was called Creative Juices. I submitted a couple ideas, and others thought they were fantastic. They were not utilized with our company, but a couple years later, I noticed them being introduced at all the airports around the world. Someone left our company and took my idea to promote their own career, and I am sure that they made lots of money from it. There was a contest to create a new vacation-branded airline division. I submitted my idea, which was an acronym for all the things you could do on this packaged vacation. It was never used, but during my training class I always bring it up, and every person thinks it was a brilliant idea. Maybe the problem was that I'm not from Toronto. During my time as an instructor, I've spoken to many managers about the benefits of videos. It could be used for training, promotions, and friendly reminders about safety for employees. I always get the promise this project will take off and I'll be involved, but because I'm located a distance from headquarters, it won't involve me. I've recently applied for advertised promotions within the company. One of the promotions even had me interviewed by multiple vice presidents at different times. At one point, I was shown my new office and introduced to my new coworkers. Then all of a sudden, I receive an email that they decide to go a different direction. I know I am pigeonholed into my position until I retire. Someone at headquarters doesn't like my concepts and would rather I keep quiet, not benefiting the company.